Cars with many horses under the hood sometimes cost a lot, but they don't have to. Supercars are the most expensive vehicles on the planet, with prices that can reach well beyond the $100,000 mark, but there are more affordable options if you want to ride with plenty of horsepower. The first 10 vehicles on this list have ample horsepower and cost less than $35,000. In addition, we've included 2 excellent bonus picks for those who can stretch their budget above the $35,000 limit. Except for the bonus picks, we've organized our selections by horsepower rating. Some of the cars are available with more horsepower than we've listed here. 2024 Volkswagen GTI. $31,965. Overall score 8.6 points out of 10 and 241 horsepower. The Volkswagen GTI sits near the top of our compact car rankings. It costs more but makes up for it with swift acceleration and enjoyable handling. All models have a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 241 horsepower. This powertrain moves the GTI from a standstill with haste and provides an abundant power. The GTI impresses with its generous selection of standard equipment. The list includes an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 7-speaker stereo, wireless device charging, and automatic climate control. Also, this car has 19.9 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats, which is excellent for a small car. 2024 Mazda 3 2.5 Carbon Turbo. $31,750. Overall score, 8.5 and 250 horsepower. It's easy to see why the Mazda 3 places high in our compact car rankings. It has a premium cabin that's among the most upscale in this segment. Also, knocks it out of the park regarding handling, delivering driving dynamics that entertain and excite. The base engine provides 191 horsepower, but choosing the 2.5 Carbon Turbo or 2.5 Turbo Premium Plus trim gets you a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder producing 227 horsepower with regular gas, and 250 horses with premium fuel. 2024 Subaru Legacy Sport. $34,495, overall score of 7.9 and 260 horsepower. The Subaru's midsize sedan carries over with no notable updates for 2024. However, it was recently refreshed. Subaru updated the car's front-end styling in 2023 and introduced a turbocharged engine for its sport trim. This 182 horsepower base engine is underwhelming. Moving up to the sport trim gets you the more potent option. A turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder with 260 horsepower. This engine is lively and capable, helping the Legacy sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds. All-wheel drive is standard for improved traction on wet, snowy, or icy roads. And this car's ride is smooth and composed. 2024 Subaru WRX. $32,735. Overall score, 7.5 and 271 horsepower. The Subaru WRX has strengths that make sense considering its rally car heritage. This compact car is a blast to drive, hugging corners confidently thanks to its firm suspension and standard all-wheel drive. All models have a turbocharged 4-cylinder with 271 horsepower. Though the engine is underwhelming below 3,000 RPM, it finds its feet once the turbocharger kicks in, urgently motivating the car. This powertrain helps the WRX dash from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds. However, this Subaru also has shortcomings. Gas mileage is below average, and there isn't much cargo room. 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. $33,700. Overall score 8.6 and 276 horsepower. The automaker updates the car's exterior styling for the 2024 model year. It has a long list of standard features, providing tremendous bang for the buck. All models have wireless smartphone integration, an 8-inch touchscreen, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. 3 engine options are available. The most potent is the turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder in the Elantra N, this car's performance variant. The powertrain is robust, vaulting the Elantra N from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 5 seconds with the available automatic transmission. In addition to having more power than the base Elantra, the N adds performance enhancements including upgraded brakes, an adaptive suspension, and a limited slip front differential, all of which greatly enhance handling.
Before we move on, I want to bring attention to the fact that 79% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. Come on, fam. You've seen my logo on other channels, and you're already here. Please hit that subscribe button and support the channel. It really helps out. Moving on.
2023 Hyundai Sonata N-Line. $34,475. Overall score, 7.9 and 290 horsepower. The Sonata is a midsize sedan with a comfortable ride and a choice of 3 engines. The first two, offering 191 and 180 horsepower, but the top engine in the range is a genuine treat. This turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder generates 290 horsepower. You'll find it in the N-Line. A responsive 8-speed automatic is the lone transmission choice. This Hyundai's interior is upmarket, with handsome styling and premium materials. And excellent cabin insulation keeps road and wind noise out, even when the Sonata travels at highway speeds. The N-Line also features a sport-tuned suspension as well as front sport seats with more aggressive side bolsters. 2024 Kia K5 GT. $31,990. Overall score, 8.2 and 290 horsepower. The K5 debuted for the 2021 model year and is one of the most recent additions to Kia's vehicle range. It holds a high position in our ranking of midsize cars, and it has a cushioned ride and comfy seating. A 180 horsepower engine is standard, but you can upgrade to a 2.5-liter Turbo 4 with 290 horsepower. The Turbo 4 powers the GT trim, and along with the GT sporty suspension tuning turns the K5 into a swift vehicle. This Kia has a strong predicted reliability score. And it comes with standard features like wireless smartphone integration, voice recognition, and blind spot monitoring. 2024 Toyota Camry TRD. $33,485. Overall score, 8.2 and 301 horsepower. The Camry has long been a family transportation favorite. Its smooth ride makes it an excellent choice for road trips, and it has a spacious cabin with excellent head and legroom in both rows. The Camry's standard engine is a 4-cylinder with 203 horsepower, but you'll want to choose the optional V6 for its added muscle. That engine generates a robust 301 horsepower and is standard in the TRD trim. The V6 hustles the Camry TRD from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. In addition to the more potent engine, TRD models have performance upgrades like larger brakes and a track-tuned suspension. 2024 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. $30,920. Overall score 8.1 and 315 horsepower. Ford redesigned its Mustang for 2024. It offers up to 500 horsepower, but the most potent engine options cost more than the limit set for this slideshow. Fortunately, the base powertrain packs plenty of muscle and comes in at a relatively affordable price. The standard engine is a turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder with 315 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, and it helps the Mustang dart off the line. This base engine also returns good fuel economy for a sports car, up to 22 to 33 miles per gallon city's highway. Fastback coupe and convertible body styles are available. 2024 Chevrolet Camaro. $30,900. Overall score 8.1 with 335 horsepower. The Camaro is a sports car with responsive handling, and Chevy sells it in coupe and convertible body styles. Chevrolet revamped the car's engine lineup for the 2024 model year, making the 335 horsepower V6 the base powertrain. That engine hustles the Camaro from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. This Chevy's packaging requires some compromises. The car's rear seats are tight, and rear visibility is bad. Also, there isn't much cargo room, and the trunk's small opening makes loading bigger items a challenge. Coupes have a mere 9.1 cubic feet of trunk space. That figure dips to 7.3 cubic feet for the convertible. 2024 Honda Civic Type R. $44,795. Overall score 9.2 and 315 horsepower. Our first bonus pick is the Civic Type R. With a base price of roughly $45,000, it costs more than other choices on our list, but it's worth the extra investment if you value zippy acceleration and thrilling handling. Honda equips this hatchback with a turbocharged four-cylinder that produces 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual with rev matching sends all that power to the front wheels. The Civic Type R has 24.5 cubic feet of cargo capacity with all seats in use, giving it as much room as you'd get with a small SUV. It seats 4 people and comes standard with a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, wireless device charging, and dual-zone automatic climate control. 2024 Acura Integra Type S. $51,800. Overall score 9.1 and 320 horsepower. This small sports sedan impresses with its lively handling. All models have a turbocharged four-cylinder with 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, and it moves this Acura from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in roughly 5 seconds. A 6-speed manual transmission sends power to the front wheels. The Integra Type S is as practical as it is fun. It provides lots of room, boasting 24.3 cubic feet of cargo capacity. It also has a generous list of standard features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless device charging, and an 8-speaker sound system. Thank you for the attention and have a nice day.